This is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, Indiana, and I'm here to show you today our pre-owned 2016 Jeep Compass High Altitude. This vehicle has your front fog lamps, your 17-inch aluminum wheels. It does have leather interior, and your back seats do fold down. This vehicle has only one owner, has only around 13,000 miles, so it's fairly still new. Lots of room for storage. The tires still have a lot of tread left on them. And coming from your driver passenger side, show you how those seats fold down right here. Very clean interior. You have your power locks and windows on your driver's side, along with your power driver's seat. This radio is touchscreen. And your front and passenger seats are heated, perfect for this winter time. And you also have a power sunroof. This is Jennifer with Smith Chevy in Lowell, Indiana, and I was showing you our pre-owned 2016 Jeep Compass High Altitude.